Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Sheets tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to separate first and last names in Google Sheets. So I've got this spreadsheet here, and the first column is first and last names. So what I actually want is the first names in one column and the last names in another column, but I don't want to have to type it all out again. So let's show you exactly how to do this. Now the first thing we need to do is make sure that the column next to the names here, so column B, is empty, because if we separate them right now, it's going to override all of this data. So head up to the top where there's the B here, and we'll go ahead and left click on that so it's highlighted. And let's right click on it right where the B is. And you'll see an option here. It says insert one column to the left. So right there, we can go ahead and select that. And you can see it inserts a blank column. So that's perfect. It's exactly what we need. Now we're going to go ahead and highlight all of the names that we would like to separate. So we'll go down like that, make sure they're highlighted, hold down your left mouse button and drag it down. And then head up to the very top where it says data, and you can go ahead and select that. And we're going to come down to right here, it says split text to column. So you can go ahead and select that. And it's going to give us an option here, a separator option. So detect automatically is the first option. There's a comma option. So if your first and last name are separated by commas, you could select that option. If you have them separated by semicolons, you can select that, or periods, you can select that. But ours are separated by a space. So we've got Patricia space Williams or Joseph space Miller. So we want to select space here, and watch what happens. All of our last names move over to the second column, and we didn't have to type that in manually. It was so much easier to do. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out in separating first and last names here in Google Sheets.